We're here na! Okay. It's not far from here, from the lounge. Yes, I feel okay. Sorry, I didn't hear you. What did I eat? Taco. No, like small portions of each. Nandito na ako sa Turkey Airport and I am waiting for my next flight kasi meron na naman ulit akong next flight and yun yung papunta sa Lithuania. Sobrang chill ko lang this time. Here's my coffee. Hindi ko pa nachichika. Bakit? Pupunta na naman ako ng Europe kasi magkikita kami ni Robbie, yung jowa ko. Mag-Europe summer kami. Sana marami akong footage na makuha this time. Kasi nung nakaraan na pumunta ako ng Lithuania, hindi naman kami masyado namasyal no, nagstay lang kami doon sa lugar nila. Pero ngayon, marami kaming pupuntahan na kung saan-saan kasi nga summer. Itong magjowa dito sa tabi ko, nag-aaway yata. Nagwawala yung lalaki. Pakialamera ate. Chismos. Ate oh. Wait. So baka naman pwede na akong mag-vlog kasi nakaalis na sila. Yung lalaki, sinisigawan niya yung girl. Tapos, yung girl kasi, parang gusto yata niya makipag-divorce. Yung babae, hindi siya nagsasalita. Umiiyak siya. Kinukuha niya yung passport niya dun sa lalaki. So sabi ng lalaki, pagkatapos mong gawin yun, kukunin mo yung passport mo. Nakakahiya kasi ang dami pang tao dito kanina. Actually, may mga iba pang mga nagkakape. Tinatamaan niya yung mga table. Hindi siya mapakali. Nakakaawa yung babae. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari pero nakakaawa. Kasi meron pa silang baby. Tapos yung baby sumisigaw din kanina. Tapos kaninang sasalita yung lalaki, parang feeling ko ako yung pinagsasabihan. Naiiyak din ako. O diba? Hello, Europe. Luggage ko, guys. Kasi Robbie nandyan na daw sa labas. Wala na akong energy. At ang baho-baho ko na. It's 11 AM. Wala namang delay yung kahit anong flight, guys. In fairness, sabi ko nga kaninang nasa plane pa ako, parang nasanay na rin ako dun sa biyahe. Kasi hindi na ako masyadong natagalan. Para lang akong nagbiyahe papuntang Ilocos. Nag-byland ako. Ganun yung feeling. Parang isang tulog lang and then a little bit of biyahe sa umaga. Parang ganun yung feeling. Okay, dumadami na yung mga luggage. Sana nandyan na yung akin. Please, Please po, sana sumama sa akin yung luggage ko po. Ano po? Kasi nandun po lahat ng mga damit ko. I'm so thirsty na, guys. At ang aking jowa ay naghihintay na rin sa labas. He's waiting for me outside. And I'm so excited! Ano natin? Nasa na ang ating bagahe? Ayan yung mga luggage. Yan yung belts. And I don't see my luggage anywhere. Oh, yun ba yun? Ay, hindi. Black lang po na Rimowa, please. Black na Rimowa, please. Oh, no. Wala pa rin yung luggage ko, Mars. Kinakabahan na ako. Ate! Oh, please. Ang dami nang lumabas. Wala pa rin yung luggage ko. Okay, I got it. Meron na, let's go. We're here na! Why so foggy naman my Grab driver? Kuya Grab, so foggy! Let's go! Woohoo! Our first activity for the day. Lalabas kami, maghahanap kami ng pagdidineran. Pero pasyal-pasyal muna kami sa Old Town because it's a good weather. Babe, say hi.
Hello!
And mainit, guys. Kaya... Oh my God! Woohoo! This is so cool. Yes, I agree. But please don't ruin my hair.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, we're staying at his sister's place here in Vilnius. So, thank you, Vida, for letting us use your real estate. Pati dun sa mga next na pupuntahan namin sa adventures namin, we are also going to stay at his sister's place everywhere in different countries. Oh my God, it's such a nice weather. And it's not hot. Oh, see? The air is cold. It's 22?
25 on the sun.
Baby, did you miss me?
Of course I did.
Did you miss me?
I missed you so much. It's been, 3
Uy,
months?
you're talking to the camera now. You're not camera shy anymore?
No, I have my shades.
Ah, kasi you have your shades?
It's been 2 months.
2 months. Not
Felt like
bad.
forever.
I know.
We're in the part of Vilnius called Lazdynai.
Lesdine?
Yeah.
Okay.
From Pasai, we're going to Mandaluyong now.
Ah, so it's like that? Okay. In the winter, it looks totally different. It doesn't look like this at all. White, white, white and gray everywhere. But today, it's so green and blue and nice.
The wind is okay?
Yeah. Ayan, ang ganda. So this is our first day of our European summer.
But you see, the heat is bearable.
Yeah, it's
warm,
bearable.
but
It's,
like,
yeah.
it's comfortable.
Is it like this in Panama also?
Yeah, it's even less warmer because
Like
of the
colder.
sea. Yeah, it's colder because of the sea.
We're like cool people today. And then in a few days, we're gonna drive the beach.
Yeah, 500.
During winter kasi guys, here, wala masyadong tao. Not a lot of people during the winter here. Pero now, since it's summer, everybody's out, walking around. Okay. So, pumasok kami dito sa isang park. Titignan namin kung ano yung vibe. I will describe the weather. Para kang nasa Baguio. Maaraw, pero malamig yung hangin. So anyway, let's show where we are. So ito, what street is this, babe? Like a restaurant street? It's a walking street. And maraming mga cafes dito. Ayan. And ang ganda ng mga cafes. Are these real? No? Not real? Yeah? Oh no, it's not real. No, babe, no. No, look. Not real. Ganda ng cafe. So nice. Are we walking to where we're eating? Or not yet? To the chicken place? Chicken! Do you see yourself living here in Vilnius?
No.
You're not a Vilnius guy.
No.
You're a Palanga guy. So Vilnius is a city place. So there's more people. Yeah. Not for him.
I like nature.
So Palanga is where the beach is. So dun siya nakatira. Sa Palanga.
Because everything is interactive, and then my colleague will meet you and tell you a little bit more information.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Look at the back of my feet.
Well, I can take a photo here. What?
Oh, you're 5'4".
What about
This like
you?
5'4".
What about you? Let's see your height.
In feet?
You're almost 7 feet.
I don't think it's accurate.
Like it?
Yeah, baby, it was my first time
Yeah.
there.
That was fun. Which one? Where? Oh, this? Okay, so dito pala kami kakain, guys. Chicken wings. Ooh, nice. Summer in Lithuania means one jacket and then one, what's this called? Windbreaker. Di ko na kaya. I cannot pretend anymore. No more pretending. And also because I'm drinking this drink, it's icy. So it's also making me cold. It's a virgin cocktail. And we are just waiting for our order. Nag-order kami ng buffalo chicken wings kasi masarap daw yung buffalo chicken wings nila dito. So we're waiting for that. Sunset is 10, either 9 or 10 daw. What time is it? It's only 7:43. It's 7:43, but it feels like it's only 4:30. one? Here?
This one. It was in the MOA. 500?
This is 8:30 p.m.
It's chilly.
Huh?
It's chilly.
It is!
Sige.
Naglalakad kami dito sa street nila na maraming bars. It's nice. Marami. And malinis. Trying not to look like a tourist, but I cannot avoid it. I look like a tourist. Nice bars. There's so many to choose from. Where? The Antonio? What food? Italian? All the good restaurants are always Italian. Pasta, pizza. So clean. The buildings are nice, like not worn out. No graffitis. A cat cafe. Cats.
My theory is like this.
Yeah.
It's only on the forehead. Yeah. This is the beginning of it.
The height difference.
Where are you?
So we're done exploring the city. Pauwi na kami. Imagine 9 p.m. na to, maliwanag na. Yeah, it's 9 p.m. and it's still bright. Parang sunset.